Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. East Khasi Hills braces for heavy downpour. IMD warns of storms, gusty winds till May 1st. FKJGP cracks down on illegal gas agency. Owner absconds amid LPG black market allegations. Cleanliness drive at Jao cremation ground. Seng Khasi, Seng Raj lead community effort. And state boxing championship begins in Shillong. Over 100 young boxers in action. The news in detail, and first the local news. The East Khasi Hills District Administration has issued a weather advisory warning of thunderstorms, lightning and heavy to very heavy rainfall from April 27th to May 1st, citing inputs from the India Meteorological Department. Officials said strong winds and intense rainfall are likely over the next few days, with a risk of flash floods. Residents have been advised to stay alert, avoid waterlogged areas, and follow safety precautions while dialing 112 in case of emergencies.
We would like to bring some weather updates from the District Disaster Management Authority of East Khasi Hills District. Based upon the inputs which we have received from the Indian Meteorological Department, East Khasi Hills District is likely to face very heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds measuring a speed of about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour starting from today, the 27th of April 2026, up to 1st of May 2026. In view of the above, we have some precautionary measures that we would like the citizens to take upon in order to avoid any untoward incident. Number 1, ensure safekeeping of all loose items, lumber piles, signages, garbage bins, or any materials which are prone to be blown away by the strong winds. We would also request citizens to switch off all electrical appliances like television, iron, etc. when not in use. We also request citizens not to venture into the rivers, streams, as there is a high incident of flash flood due to the heavy rainfall. We also request citizens not to drive in flooded areas, as there is a threat of electrocution due to snapping of electrical wires. We would also urge citizens to drive carefully in case if they're traveling from roads which are prone to landslides or rockfall. In case of any emergency, we would request citizens to dial the police control room number on the number 112.
Members of the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people inspected a gas agency in Baridua, Ribhoi district, suspected to be operating illegally from Assam. The team alleged the owner fled during the inspection, while residents complained of LPG cylinders being sold at inflated prices, leaving genuine consumers without access.
Bagi layak jintip mau don ka cakap pusat gas bian bamton patla bat nilai ka safety measure kamdan e bat kamtam nilai kadon hajima bangi don hane ki school ye ba jimat pa balano kan the lano kam ayu bat kikiar ba deng kamdan re bat nga kamtam nilai ka di nabar jalan nabar Assam bat kuno ki yo banon hane bat kamtam ni baton kat mi gas re bat ikui ki yo wai panthep tapan mengi mi ora badai ain tuan Assam gio bat kamtom ka ges ru kam di banane kadina Assam kan tai ngkwa ban ong bat ngkwa ban ai saga district administration bagan selection bat kibor he ma bat kulit kamtam khang sundan tai lesion.
Members of Seng Khasi and Seng Raj Nyamtre, Shillong, today carried out their annual cleanliness drive at the Jao cremation ground despite adverse weather. The initiative saw active participation from community members, highlighting unity, environmental responsibility and respect for the sacred site. The Sinjuk Nong Sinchar Shnong Hima Bhowal today has welcomed the upgradation of the Phang Wanbroy Ranikor Road under the Intermediate Road Scheme covering 19 villages. The body thanked the government and PWD while urging protection of water pipelines and agricultural land during construction.
Berkajingan dunia ini kedua kelomba inai kajingan tirang berka PWD department bahkan nomor kono kejing thot ke pentrai ke surak. Bang ilai kejing thot au CE ba lakun kuno ada don kini kejing isu bhab kita segi kesu. Kenduksa se KBD ban ke pentrai ke surak kidon ki pipe mau ki pipeline. Kemudian harus jaga surak. Ya saya ada pentrai ke surak ke jenrat itu tabut saki umbang di saki snong di tau kan nom kejing ya nama ngi seti ko umbang di kamlong ke biak lada gitu di pipeline kata ke banding kau kabaan kolong HBD begini ki electric pole no bus light punya kita harus surat ya keturu ni ya keren ba lakum no ban konsol bat ni banyiru ini sutu ban konsol lang bat ka MECL department ban penkenria ini kenang ba ka jing ka light ka nom thot ki snom kita untuk ni setia anta ka balai ka ba lo kam dan kam ba ka bidi begini thek kendo bi teng ha gidi jing pentrai ke surak ka jing thek kendo teng la shwe thek kuman mau ka ta ki ja karep ka ta ki to lo teng na gidi thek kendo ka ka buan si snom ka saw kam long su bandi man bam te ka wat ngatrai wat naka pollution ru kadon ke jing mana ba ngin ban pen jabo ya kita lo di catchment area.
Amid a dispute between Dorbar Rai Nongpo and local farmers over cultivation land at Lomburto, Acting Sardar Louis Tar Lingdo today has urged that the issue be resolved within traditional institutions. He stressed following proper customary procedures, cautioning against prematurely approaching higher authorities without due process.
Nang nagdal hapo ke ilakano po sorship na kum acting sodar akwa baki kun ki hajar ki bahap po ilakano po sorship umbulang matang dan new klikeran te kini ki darbar snong ki pajba nong snong ki bade ki kun ki hajar ngaso bon ong bat ngaso bon katpat ki baladan kano jing bom sothu jong phi umdei banyat support disposal long ai lap chwa gini kam ki berit baria bangin yesol chwa bakadar basnong bakadar barat kenang bakan nura ya ka songsuk sosngan hapo ka it ka hima jongi ka ilakan po sorship kitu ki kun ki hajar ki ba kwa banle ki bor ki bahlor nga ngaso mon ong ba klem ki kot ki sla ki ba biang klem majing pensya na kador basnong na kador barat bat na ki ilaka nga trai sange ya ka jing ile jengki namar bakinum la ban position no ladangi ken lada pinle cepo akut lada gidon kikot kisla ki proof ki babiang akut kalap kan stan ikot lada kitu ki let klem kikot kisla ki babiang ki bomdan ni kita kikot kisla kumno kila banle cepo akut let se cepo district court let cepo high court let cepo supreme court le habakim dan kikot kisla remot long len ka to ka jinglet yung ki bat kisla supnut ya ka dor ya ka bor ya ka bormet ka bor pisa ka bor perkhat ka perdan ke jongki ndai nathrai ba kanum position national ro
Be Den Klam Festival of Rat Kongwasan Chermang, the first celebration of the year in Giant Hills, concluded at Siem Aitnar with vibrant traditional rituals and dances. Education Minister Lakman Rimboy attended as chief guest, extending wishes for unity and harmony as communities came together to celebrate the rich cultural heritage.
ya Tuhan yang right ya orang cinta ya ekubela ya orang kita dapat bilang dengan hal hamtam kan ini perlu orang iman itu kawan mereka berkembang berjalan dan kami berfoto ketemu itu dan kami bertemu ini dan kami berkali kamu today menjadi yang agak suksesan today menjadi yang di project lain harapannya besar dari digital store yang ini.
The annual Bampalar Festival was held at Yungwale Community Hall in July, featuring a traditional theatrical drama and community feast. Leaders highlighted its role in preserving culture and encouraging youth to showcase talents ahead of the sowing season. This year's drama, titled E Sendet, was produced by the Dorbar Chnong Loom Karwyang, with the script written by Prangsngi Shulai and songs composed by Pinskem Lalu.
Ibu akan memberi kepada untuk kegiatan dan kegiatan. Lada pengelai kaki lebih baik, menyewa uang rak umanti ke kami doi. Dema ilhet kau perlu ujuk senyum, ujuk TV, ujuk kami dulu. Kaki por puel kini giyu beli. Dang dia sendiri, dang dia nak kau fungki. Dan mana dia kaitan sedang dengan Kabangla dan Arunta Cibenta Society yang sab di pot Nado iruai sio ikut item ikut dari kompleki ikut tunggu kedau kowe bentang do Kabangla kowe tercari Ladai kathani hidur kejina ulang mesin di kota. Ladai kathani hidur lirat kalian. Ladai kathani hidur bandrai. Moya in sin. Ya kipu emsa. Lo peniki. Ya kita keluar head.
Now moving ahead to the regional news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a grand roadshow in Gangtok, drawing a huge crowd of enthusiastic supporters. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang and State BJP President D.R. Thapa are accompanying the Prime Minister during the event. Now moving ahead to the national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed a rally in Barakpur ahead of the second phase of West Bengal Assembly elections, highlighting his deep connect with the state and expressing confidence of a BJP victory. Polling for the next phase will be held on April 29, with counting scheduled for May 4th.
बंगाल में जहां जहां गया हूं, बंगाल के लोगों का जो मैंने मिजाज देखा है, मैं इस विश्वास के साथ वापस जा रहा हूं कि 4 मई के नतीजों के बाद बीजेपी के शपथ ग्रहण समारोह में मुझे आना ही है और इसलिए मेरा उत्साह और बढ़ जाता है। साथियों, मैं पिछले 3-4 दशक से देश के कोने कोने में जाता रहा। राजनीति में आने के बाद, भाजपा में आने के बाद मैं बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में पार्टी जो भी काम कहती है वो मैं करता हूं। चुनाव की जिम्मेदारियां संभालना भी इसी का एक हिस्सा रहा है। मैं न दिन देखता हूं न रात, न मौसम देखता हूं, चल पड़ता हूं। साथियों, जब से घर छोड़ा है मुझे आप सबके बीच रहने में सुख मिलता है, सुकून मिलता है और आप ही मेरा परिवार है।
India and New Zealand signed a landmark free trade agreement today aimed at expanding market access and strengthening economic ties. New Zealand Prime Minister Christopher Luxon described the pact as a once-in-a-generation opportunity to deepen engagement with India's vast market. The agreement covers key areas including trade, agriculture, investment, talent mobility, tourism and people-to-people exchanges. It is expected to benefit businesses, farmers, MSMEs, students and skilled professionals in both countries, giving a major push to bilateral trade.
The signing of the India-New Zealand Free Trade Agreement reflects our strengthening economic partnership and a convergence of values, trust, and shared ambition between two vibrant democracies. Heartiest congratulations to the people of both nations, especially the youth, who are the heartbeat of our economies. Modern and balanced, this FTA synergizes the complementarities of our two economies through collaborations that drive collective growth. The FTA catalyzes new opportunities for our farmers, artisans, youth, entrepreneurs, women, and MSMEs, unlocking pathways for global market access and enterprise across sectors, from agriculture and manufacturing to technology, education, and services. This agreement reaffirms our commitment to deepen bilateral ties grounded in democracy, grounded in democratic values, and strong people-to-people connections.
Now for the international news. Israeli airstrikes in southern Lebanon have killed at least 14 people, including 2 children and 2 women, according to the health ministry. Over 30 others were injured as tensions continue despite a fragile ceasefire with Hezbollah. The Israel Defense Forces said strikes targeted sites allegedly used for attacks, while a separate Hezbollah drone strike killed 1 Israeli soldier and injured 6. Meanwhile, Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is in Russia for talks with President Vladimir Putin to review the situation. And now the sports news. The Meghalaya Boxing Association has launched the State Junior and Youth Boxing Championship 2025-26 at Maulai Mauro, Shillong. Over 100 boxers from 8 districts and various clubs are competing, with the event providing a key platform for emerging talent. Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 21 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 67% and rainfall 46.4 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 33% and the rainfall 4.4 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 53% and the rainfall 2.0 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says, generally cloudy sky with moderate rain at many places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. East Khasi Hills braces for heavy downpour. IMD warns of storms, gusty wind till May 1st. FKJ GP cracks down on illegal gas agency. Owner absconds amid LPG black market allegations. Cleanliness drive at Jayao cremation ground. Seng Khasi Sen Rat lead community effort. And state boxing championship begins in Shillong. Over 100 young boxers in action. Well, viewers, with that, we have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.